Hello friends, welcome to Nina's kitchen. Today I will make one of the Gujarati dish which is very famous in Gujarat. It is called dal dhokli. First of all, to make the dal dhokli, I have taken the quarter cup of this split lentil, wash them and put it into the pressure cooker with the 3 whistle and when the boiled lentils boil properly, I have mixed with the whisker and then it will be like that, very smooth paste. After that, I have taken 1 cup of the whole wheat flour. I put 4 tablespoons of the oil and then I have put 1 teaspoon of the red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of the salt as per your taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and little bit of these carom seeds. I mixed everything together and make the dough with roughly half cup of water or as per you required. After that I have made the 6 balls of this dough and then I have pressed it. Now I am ready to roll them up. Meantime, I have put this in this bowl. I have put 3 tablespoons of oil, put some mustard seeds and keep the stove on as per medium to high. Now I am ready to roll the ball. I have mixed with the dust with the whole wheat flour and ready to roll them up. If I need more flour, I can put more flour and make the very thin of this roti of this flour. I have this much of thin roti. I'll put it little bit of flour on this plate, not to stick one with the other one, and then put this roti on this one and put again the flour on this roti. Make another roti like that. It takes roughly 5 minutes for me to do that, and meantime when the mustard seed will crack properly, I will add some more stuff inside. Now mustard seeds has been cracked properly, so I will add some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of the coriander and seeds powder, and then I will add some water, roughly And now I can keep my stove on the high speed to get this water boiled properly. Now at last I will put 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste and let the water should boil. Meantime I can finish rolling all the balls. It takes only 4 to 5 minutes to roll all the balls, and meantime the water will get boiled. I have rolled all the rotis like that, and my rotis are ready. Once the water gets boiled, I will put some more carom seeds, mix with the 2 hands and put it into the boiled water, so it can give the better smell. And now the water is getting boiled. You can see the steam is coming out of it and it's fully boiled. So at the same time I will add this liquid of the lentil which we boiled in the pressure cooker, and let it boil together. Once the water gets boiled, I will take each of the rotis like that and then cut them into the diamond shape. You can make a square or diamond, whatever the shape you will like that. It will be like that all the pieces like that and keep them aside. I have got all the rotis while the water is boiling. Now the water has been completely boiling. You can see that it's boiling. So not to stick with the little pieces, I will add another 3 tablespoons of oil. So the roti will not stick one with the other one. Now I will put all the pieces inside slowly and slowly, one after other. Where the bubbles are there, I'll put the rotis there. Meantime, I will mix it together, not to stick one with the other one. Now mix them together to boil it properly, and it will be ready. Little bit stuff will be very nice. You can see that that's the way it will boil. After that, if you have the mango powder, you can put some mango powder. I put roughly 1/4 tablespoon of the mango powder. And if you like the little bit more sweet, you can put some jaggery. You can put some jaggery, or you can put some brown sugar. It's up to your taste. I didn't put too much because we don't eat much sweet. And now I will turn the stove on the medium to low and let it cook properly. It will take roughly 5 minutes to cook. And after the 5 minutes, the stuff will be ready, and it looks like this. You can able to eat in the plate like that. Stuff will be ready like that. You can able to eat like that. I hope my friends, you will like it, enjoy it, and let me know. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.